The Kuna headquarters is in Dupont, Illinois, a suburb of St. Louis, Missouri. The new facility was designed from the ground up for food service. Designers apply leading-edge technology to ensure the most efficient, safe, and hygienic handling of food and food service products. Our environmentally friendly building includes approximately 90,000 square feet of dry, refrigerated, and frozen warehouse space. The meat cutting operation includes a daily USDA inspection. Our administrative staff is dedicated to customer service. Kuna has 22 state-of-the-art 3-compartment trucks serving areas in Missouri, Illinois, Iowa, Wisconsin, Kentucky, Indiana, Arkansas, Ohio, Nebraska, and Minnesota. Our scanning system provides real-time, accurate tracking data from our warehouse to our delivery trucks, all the way to the customer's door. Our test kitchen provides customers a great opportunity to see new products and techniques. To learn more, visit our website at kunafoodservice.com.